Running out of space? Clear your Android cache to free storage instantly. Swipe down and tap the gear icon to open settings. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, then choose See All Apps. Pick a large app from the list, for example, Chrome or Instagram. Tap Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Repeat for other big apps, or use Storage Overview to find culprits. Or go to Settings, then Storage, and tap Cache Data to clear all app caches. This option varies by device. You can also use Files by Google to safely remove junk and temporary files. Watch the storage bar update from 12.4 gigabytes used down to 10.1 gigabytes used, saving 2.3 gigabytes. Clearing cache removes temporary files only. Your photos, messages, and accounts remain safe. Tip: restart your phone after clearing to reclaim system memory and speed up performance. Done. Storage reclaimed. Try these steps regularly to keep your device running smoothly.